Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward guide on managing your digital assets. Today, we're diving into how to transfer XDC from Uphold to Decent Wallet, full guide for 2025. If you're holding XDC tokens on Uphold and want to move them to a more secure hardware wallet like Decent, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. It's quick, safe, and easy to follow, even if you're new to crypto transfers. First things first, make sure you have both your Uphold account set up and your Decent wallet ready to go. If you haven't installed the Decent app or initialized your wallet, do that now. It's a hardware wallet, so it's all about keeping your assets offline and secure. Step 1. Open your Uphold app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and find your XDC tokens. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough to cover any network fees. XDC uses the XDC network, which is fast and cost-effective. Next, switch over to your Decent wallet. Unlock it with your PIN or biometric security, then go to the Receive section. Here, you'll generate a new wallet address for XDC. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Now, back in Uphold, select your XDC balance and choose the Withdraw or Send option. Paste the Decent wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the transaction details, including fees. XDC transfers are usually quick, but always confirm everything before hitting send. After you initiate the transfer, Uphold will process it, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Head back to your Decent wallet and refresh to see your XDC tokens arrive. This might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always verify the wallet address by comparing it character by character to avoid any mistakes. Crypto is irreversible. If you're dealing with larger amounts, consider testing with a small transfer first. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your XDC to Decent wallet. This keeps your assets safer from online threats. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure and happy trading in 2025.